all, what's up and welcome back to Hayas Hive. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken cutlets. It's a really tasty and easy snack for Iftar in Ramadan. So first, let's take a look at the ingredients. The ingredients are 6 potatoes, 3 onions, 1 small piece of ginger finely chopped, green chilies, 5 of them, the juice of 1 lemon, some turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, salt to taste, breadcrumbs and egg. So first I've heated the pan and I'm pouring some sunflower oil in the pan. Now chop 3 onions and put it into the pan. And next, put a bit of salt. Now, saute it well. Now I've put a lid on top of the pan. Next, chop 5 green chilies and add it into the mix. Saute it well. Now add 1 clove of garlic after chopping it nicely. Then add around half tablespoon of turmeric powder and then half tablespoon of pepper powder or kurumulag. Next, add half tablespoon of garam masala powder. Now, mix it all well together and saute it well. Next, squeeze a lemon and add its juice to the mix. Now add a handful of coriander. Next, boil chicken with turmeric powder, chili powder and salt. And then mince it in the blender. Now blend the onion mixture as well. I have blended the onion mixture. Now mix both the chicken mixture and the onion mixture. Mix well. Next, we are going to add boiled potato to the mixture. Boil the potato in turmeric powder and salt and mash it well. This is how it should look. Now add it all to the mixture. Here I'm only showing a little bit of potatoes, but you have to add a lot of potatoes. I added 6 potatoes. Now mix it all well together. Before we continue, please press the like button, the subscribe button, press the bell icon and select all so that you receive my notifications. Next comes the secret ingredient. Take some slices of bread. I'm taking 2 slices of bread and then toast it lightly. After toasting, put the bread in the mixer and make breadcrumbs. Don't blend it too much because it will taste better if it's crunchy and if the breadcrumbs are big. Next, take 3 eggs and add salt and pepper. So now let's start making the cutlets. First, roll a ball of the batter and make it flat in your hands. You can fix the shape with your hands like this. You can make the cutlets into any shape: oval, circular, rectangular, or you can take any mold and make the shapes. I made my cutlets round. So this is how it looks. Now I'm just making more cutlets. So I've made a lot of cutlets now. And I've made some more. Next, we are going to dip the cutlets in the egg mixture. And then dip it in the breadcrumbs. Do the same for all the cutlets. So I have 3 cutlets ready now. And now I finished a lot of them. Now we are going to fry them. So I've added some oil in the frying pan. And now we're going to put the cutlets in the frying pan. After some time, we're going to flip these over. This is how they should look. So I have flipped all the cutlets. And after they're done, we'll take them out of the frying pan. And now our cutlets are done. This is how they look. So this is how you make amazing, tasty and delicious cutlets for Iftar. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.